Hola amigos, bienvenidos. By completing this lesson, you will be able to recognize more profession in Spanish. First, we'll see some new professions and then we'll practice. So let's start this session. Topic 1. In this topic, we'll see new professions. ¿Qué hace él? It means, what does he do? So the answer for this question is, él es piloto. Él es piloto, which means he is a pilot. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hace ella? It means, what does she do? And by looking at the picture, you can guess. Ella es recepcionista. Ella es recepcionista, which means she is a receptionist. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hace ella? Which means, what does she do? So the answer for this question is, ella es ama de casa. Ella es ama de casa, which means she is a housewife. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hacen ellos? It means, what do they do? Can you guess by looking at the picture? So the answer is, ellos son bomberos. Ellos son bomberos, which means they are firemen. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hacen ellos? It means, what do they do? So the answer is, ellos son obreros. Ellos son obreros, which means they are laborers. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hacen ellos? What do they do? And the answer is, ellos son periodistas. Ellos son periodistas, which means they are journalists. Let's see the next profession. ¿Qué hace él? What does he do? Él es político. Él es político, which means he is a politician. Let's see the next profession. And the last one. ¿Qué hace él? What does he do? And the answer is, I hope all of you know. Él es pintor. Él es pintor, which means he is a painter. Or you can say, él es artista. Él es artista, which means he is an artist. Now let's move to the next topic. In this topic, we'll practice with new professions. Now in this session, you have to answer. ¿Qué hace él? What does he do? Él es? Can you answer? So the answer is, él es piloto. I hope all of you got it correct. Let's see the next example. ¿Qué hace ella? What does she do? Asia is, can you answer? So the answer is Asia is ama de casa. She is a housewife. Let's see the next example. ¿Qué hacen ellos? What do they do? Ellos son, can you answer? So the answer is ellos son obreros, which means they are laborers. I hope all of you got it correct. Now match the following. Match the profession with the appropriate photo. There are 4 options. Now it's time to match. Try to match it and I'll show you the answers after 10 seconds. So the answer is, I hope all of you got it correct. Now answer these questions. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve this and put your answer in comment section. I'll review it and tell you whether it is correct or not. If you have any doubts, put your doubts also in comment section. Now these are the answers of lesson 9. I hope all of you got it correct. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos. Hasta pronto.